The world is moving faster than ever. Customers want more, at a lower price, as quickly as possible, and demand is only rising. Panasonic Connect provides logistics solutions that keep operations lean and running smoothly, from the factory floor to the customer's door, from inbound to outbound, and even for the last mile. Our next-generation technology streamlines workflows, improves accuracy, and reduces downtime, helping businesses stay competitive in an ever-evolving industry. For inbound logistics, we offer solutions like our Visual Sort Assist, which helps to increase parcel sorting agility by optimizing manual sorting processes using an advanced projection mapping-driven system. For intralogistics, our intelligent warehouse solution provides total visibility of the movement of packages, helping to create connected, fully visible, and collaborative supply networks. While our toughbook mobile devices keep staff connected for uninterrupted efficiency and productivity. And our Logisend solution provides a powerful end-to-end IoT system that automates stock replenishment, shares work instructions, tracks assets, and much more. For outbound logistics, there's a high demand for supply chain solutions that address stock shortages, provide the visibility businesses need to reduce their emissions, and help their customers make conscious, more sustainable choices. That's why we partner with ZTs and Blue Yonder to provide solutions and software that enable full transparency and traceability, like ZT's Image ID, volume measurement with N1 and the MCL software platform. But no area of logistics has changed over the past year more than the last mile. In today's fast-paced commerce world, demand for speed and convenience is higher than ever. And Panasonic solutions are keeping businesses ahead of the curve with our Smart Locker solution, a secure and contactless pick-up and drop-off option that allows goods to be collected and returned easily, efficiently, and flexibly. Because at Panasonic Connect, we're committed to helping to change work, advance society, and connect to tomorrow. With technology that enables transparency, speed, and automation across operations, increasing sales, reducing waste, and maximizing customer satisfaction for a smarter, more sustainable future. Panasonic Connect, connecting to tomorrow.